Quite like the
He owns the
idea of
flat.
telling a
He owns the
progeny
whole.
of this objectionable old fool that used to potter around the garden. So it is planted for you and future generations of spectacularly dysfunctional artists. The boring details are as ever in the hands of solicitors. But the bare fact is that my home is now Vernon's. He and the girls need the space far more than I ever did. You'll be able to keep an eye on the daft bugger because I'm giving you your flat. I owned it. The unfortunate Mr. O'Brien was merely acting on my behalf. Or should I say, on behalf of the old Alfie. You were a wonderful pupil and a dearly treasured friend. You helped me remember the good things. Yours sincerely, Alfred Stevenson.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah? It's beautiful.
Why did he die?